Good morning, everyone. It is the 17th of January, Tuesday, and just let the index open. There was a holiday yesterday. It was Martin Luther King Day. Stock market was closed. It's just reopening now. We're seeing some liquidity come back into the market. As per usual now, I'm just doing the S&P 500. That is relatively new in terms of the addition to the morning analysis. And this is kind of the crux area that I'm looking for. I'm waiting for price to get to 4,100 or 44,100 before seeing what it decides to do. So bullish there until 4,100 in the S&P 500. As you can see, uptrend, peak, pullback, and then continuation up the uptrend. So this is kind of the crux point we're looking for price to get to before either resuming this downtrend or breaking through and putting in some more of an uptrend. So S&P gives us an overview of everything. I'm so sorry, let me just jump onto the news. My bad. Just quickly jump on the news there. We had at 8:30 the Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, so 8:30 a.m. we had news that has passed now. So that's what we had today. So going back over here, S&P 500 down to the going to the Dow Jones now, US30. Major supply 34,500. Okay. Here, right, 34,500, that's the area there. And so Dow Jones is at a major area of supply. This is an area where we could see it turn around, come back down to demand here at 33,300 or even 32,500. But you know, we're sitting at a high here. That's basically what we need to see. We're sitting at a high. Does it break through, or does it, you know, come back down to earth? Today's price action will give us an understanding of that. 4 hour. Okay, interesting now on the 4 hour. Remember, just to give you an idea, this rectangular box is what we're going to go zoom in on now on the 4 hour. That's what that box is. We have this uptrend that is now kind of being broken. See, it's quite strong here, and then it runs out of steam. It's coming to the downside at the moment. Back to demand 3,400. Maybe we'll see. We're still in an uptrend. Could be a good opportunity to buy. Around this area and get some nice buy orders in. That's the 4 hour. I'm going to zoom in now onto this rectangular box here, which is the 1 hour. Okay, and now we're on the 1 hour time frame. That's the rectangular box. We can see what kind of thing we are looking at here. So we have, there's not much going on, right? It's pretty slow and steady. Demand 34,300. It's a contention point right now. I would say this is neutral. We don't know if it's supply or demand. It's just sort of, in no man's land right now. But we are in an uptrend, so safer to look for a pullback and buy. Okay. Safer for a pullback and buy, maybe to here. Okay. 1 hour demand is quite strong there. Why is that? You can see this little packet here. This little order block here is where I see it holding. And again, we've got no dramatic sell-off right now, so I'm expecting something to buy up. And we can see now if we go to the 1 minute, okay, nothing yesterday. Stock market was closed. It was like an Asian session during New York. These were just showing this yesterday during the group call in regards to where trades were. Okay, where's our demand zone? Our major demand zone to the left is here. Okay, our secondary demand zone is under here. Okay, where we're currently at the moment. It seems to be broken down a little bit. And yeah, another demand zone is through here. Okay, to the left. There's also this area of contention, or this area of question here. Imbalance breaks out from there. order block, imbalance. Okay. Right, order block here. So let's drag that out across, see where we're at. Right, best spot there for an order is here to buy. Okay, that's the only area that I'm going to take in terms of a trade today. At the moment, I need to see more volatility come into the market. We had nothing at news at 8:30. It's just quiet. It's dead as a doornail here. This is smaller than London in regards to volatility. We could put the River Narrow on and trade something, but again, we don't know what is going to happen with volatility for New York. So I don't want to, personally for me, I'm not going to swap in and out of bands on a New York session just to look for something. I'm going to wait for price to at least come back down here, because the likelihood of it coming back down here is high enough that I don't want to be in a buy here and be stuck with it coming down here. So for me, highest probability trade is here. Okay, highest probability trade is there. Right, that area. Okay, I want to see more action come into the market right now. Personally, for me, you can drag the take profit up a little bit as well, because we're in an uptrend. Make some more profit out of that one. Okay, it comes down into this area, into the bands, near the demand zone, goes in, comes up, back towards the median. We've got price, with prices on our side. Okay, flow of prices on our side. Here is the area of supply to the top. Right, area of supply right there. Short position, the one you've got to watch out for. This is the one that we'd be practicing getting out of your position if it goes against you. That's the kind of sell I'm looking for there. Okay, right. So this kind of action is what I would predict in line with the uptrend. Right, at some point. And then up here, during that process, this kind of thing. That's how I want to work that region. But yeah, just there's nothing going on at the moment. So, stick if you don't. I'm not going to trade it. I wouldn't trade anything until we get some swell into the market. Right now, it's very quiet. Yeah, let this do its thing a little bit. I'll put an alert in here. Okay, so I can check the market if it comes down there, my phone will tick off and I can have a look and go okay, cool, there's a trade here, and I'm going to put an alert here. I'm not actually going to put any limit orders in until these alerts go off. You can see already now it's dropping down. Okay, it's going to make a move for the downside, so just be patient. And yeah, that's this morning. Have a great day. The group call has been uploaded now from yesterday. Thanks.